Hello Roshanda, my name is Angel and I'm here from Audi VW in Fall River, and I just want to show you the vehicle you are currently looking at, which is the 2021 Nissan Rogue, and let's dive right into it. All right, Roshanda, here we go. This is a 2021 Nissan Rogue, and I just want you to take a look at it. The color over here we have is gray. Amazing looking vehicle. As you can see, the front, it has the whole new design that they switched over a couple years ago. You got two different lights, fully automatic. Up top you got the LED daytime running lights. In the bottom, those are the actual lights where they illuminate once you turn them on. You got that Nissan grille right in the front. These vehicles are equipped with pre-collision system, side assist. You got cameras on the mirrors, which I'll show you when we come over here on the side. Another thing, you got your 18-inch alloy wheels with your all-season tires, and this is that camera I was talking about. You got the side-facing camera as well, so you got that 360 camera on this vehicle. You have keyless entry. All you gotta do is hit the button, you go right into it. If your key is in your person, that's all you need. Let's move around here on the back. As you can see, this is a very nice design. You got the Nissan Rogue emblem with the Rogue right on the bottom. You got SV, so it lets you know it's an SV all-wheel drive. Let's open up this trunk so you can see the rear. And there you go, you got that 60-40 split. You have a nice little cargo mat over here, just a little bit more protection. You got also a spare tire, okay? Also, you do have your kit to be able to remove the tire as well. As you can see over here, you got two buttons. One is so it can automatically close the power lift gate. The other one, it'll close it and also lock it as well, if you don't have to go back into your vehicle though. So let's hit that over here. As you can see in the bumper, you got running across, you got the sensors for pedestrian warning. Let's move forward here towards the side of the vehicle. I just want to show you the rear of this Nissan Rogue, and as you can see, it is all black interior. You have a little bit of brown on the door panel. It's very nice, soft leather. It's like a leatherette. You have two ports in the back, USB. Well, one is a USB, one's a USB-C. So either way you go, you have it back there. Also on the door, which I'm gonna show you right now, you do get privacy shades, which comes in handy. If you have kids or anything like that, you can block out that sun, help out a little bit. Let me sit back here just so you can see the seating of it. Pretty comfortable. You have some more cup holders over here, armrests. It's just very comfortable to be back here. Alrighty, let me see, let's close this door. All right, Roshanda, as you can see, we're in the interior of the 2021 Nissan Rogue, and I just want to go over a couple things, just so you can see how everything looks and is laid out. As you can see, if you start over here, you have your traditional door panel with your power windows, all four are power. If you see this little square over here on the mirror, those are your indicator for your blind spot monitor. So that is also equipped with blind spot. You have another button, has a steering wheel on it. I don't know if you can see it through here. What that actually does, if you hit the button, it'll display to you on here this digital infotainment system that your steer assist is on. You can keep clicking it and you can turn it off. If we go here on the steering wheel, very nice, very comfortable. You got the Nissan logo right there. Let's see, the horn does work. You got your volume, your radio stuff right over here on this side. Your voice command, you got your phone button over here. This for your cruise control. Let's see what this button does over here. It shows you your blind spot, forward and lane assist. As you can see over here, it shows you the barrier for everything that it covers. Let's move over here to the side just so you can see what this looks like. You have your main screen, which you'll probably be using often. You have a couple buttons on the side, which makes it easier for you. Also, it is touchscreen. As you can see, you can move it to the side, connect your phone. You have a few different options, whatever you want to do. This is where you want to go to fix it. All right, also let me show you, now that we're here, let's show you the rear camera. just so you can see. Nice big display. As you can see, you got that 360. If we move a little further down, you got the vents, and right in between the vents, you do have your hazard lights, so you don't have to go crazy looking for them. You do have heated seats on this vehicle, climate control, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can control their own temperature if they like. You got heated steering wheel. Right here is for the fan speed, where you want the fan to blow out of, and your defrost, to defrost your windows, okay? If you move a little further down, this is where you start your car. Foot on the brake, hit that button, it starts up. Another USB-C and USB, which is very comfortable. You have another place over here, you can just extra room, extra storage, you can put your phone there if you like. 2 cup holders. You got your shifter that controls the CVT transmission. You have your electronic park and brake. Next button is the hold button. A lot of people don't know what that is. In order for that to work, you need to have your seatbelt on. What that does is, if you're in bumper to bumper traffic and you let go of the brake, the car will not move unless you hit the actual gas pedal, okay? It comes in handy. And then over here, you just have your different drive modes that you can switch through. Economic, snow, comfort, whatever you want, right over here. And then you have extra storage over here. Let's open that up. I don't know if you can see. Pretty decent space to hide some stuff. Alrighty, let me close that right back up. The seat over here in the front, how comfortable it is. You do have, it kind of like hugs your body. It's very comfortable. I'm sitting on it right now. This one is equipped with a panoramic sunroof as well, which I will get to that and show you in a little bit. You do have your buttons for your interior lighting right over here. Just hit it, comes on and off. You have a button to turn every single light on the car on. You have a couple in the rear as well. Let's turn that back off, and I just want to show you the sunroof. Rashawn, there you have it. This is your 2021 Nissan Rogue. I hope you like it. It is still available. Please give me a call if you have any questions. Number here is 508-678-5555. Thank you. Have a great day.